Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
I need, did he like his knife?
Yeah, this is the one he wanted, so.
Which one's yours?
Yeah.
With the Christmas trees.
Is that one
Is that
yours?
Pride and Prejudice?
That
Oh,
was me.
cool.
That mine and that was
It's more for decorative purposes.
It'll look pretty on top.
Do they have more like that?
Yeah, they do.
See what it turned out like. Oh, that is the funniest thing I've ever seen. That is so funny. Look at you.
Oh,
I look fat. I look so pregnant.
Well, you're pregnant.
And your hair, you did it just almost perfectly.
I know. Me and Lauren did.
Handled it. Oh, this is the funniest thing I've ever seen. And Jameson in overalls.
And Owen's overalls.
We just clipped them.
We like clicked them on him. Funny.
How did you get that? How did you get it to hook on him?
We could get it to hook. We couldn't get it to go forward very well, but it was forward enough for that picture.
Oh, that is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
I got it.
Now turn it around.
Why? What do you want to show Mama?
Yay. Okay, well, I'm videoing.